Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Swift SZ3, finished in pearl black metallic, also has the silver roof and silver wing mirror covers. We've got 16-inch alloy wheels. It's the 5-door version. This particular vehicle has had just one owner from new. It's also been serviced here every year, so you've got full main dealer service history, which has been carried out by our factory trained technicians. As well as that, it's just £30 tax for the year. It's also got a 5-star NCAP safety rating. We take a look inside the vehicle. Like the exterior, the interior is in good condition. You've got height adjustable seating for good visibility on the road. Integrated controls for both the Bluetooth and audio. You've got CD player and radio. You've also got a USB charging point, which allows you to play music from your mobile device. Air conditioning. We take a look in the back. You've got ISOFIX for children's car seats. Seats 3 comfortably with good leg room. Before leaving, the vehicle will also come with a service and be given 12 months MOT for its new owner.